Most people rely on a single paycheck. If they lose their job, they lose everything. But the average millionaire has 7 different streams of income. If one dries up, the others keep flowing. Today, I will show you exactly what these 7 streams are, so you can stop working for money and start making money work for you. Number 1. Earned income. This is your salary. You trade your time for money? It is the starting point for everyone, but it has a trap. If you stop working, the money stops coming. You can never get rich solely from this stream. Number 2. Profit income. This is money earned by selling something for more than it costs to make. Whether it is selling products on Amazon, dropshipping, or flipping items. Unlike a salary, your profit potential here is unlimited. Number 3. Interest income. This is the money you get from lending your capital to others, usually through savings accounts or government bonds. It is slow, but it is one of the safest forms of passive income. Number 4. Dividend income. This is the favorite of the wealthy. You own stocks in a company, and they pay you a share of their profits. You don't have to work. You just have to own the stock. Number 5. Rental income. Buying real estate and renting it out. It provides consistent cash flow every month, and usually the property value increases over time. It is a classic wealth builder. Number 6. Capital gains. This happens when an asset you bought increases in value. You bought a stock for $10 and sold it for $20. That $10 profit is your capital gain. Number 7. Royalty income. This is the holy grail. You create something once, like a book, a song, or a YouTube video, and you get paid for it repeatedly for years. This separates your time from your money completely. You don't need all 7 to be rich, but you definitely need more than one. Start with your salary and use it to build the others. Which stream are you going to build next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom.